Hey, what's up everyone? It's Christina from the Glaser Tutoring Company, and today we're dealing with polynomials. Oh yeah. Now in this question, we just have to multiply the binomial that's given. Okay, well a binomial just means that we have something with two terms. In mathematics or in science, the term bi, the prefix bi, means that we have two of something. So since we're dealing with the polynomial universe, we have a binomial, which just means that we have something with two terms. Okay, now if I look over here, we have 4c plus 1. Here are my two terms. I have a 1 value with a variable. In this case, they gave it to me as c. And then the other one just has a random number. So two different terms. And these binomials are being multiplied. Okay, but now this one is pretty interesting. Because if I analyze these binomials, right, I will notice that the first term for both of them, 4c, they're the same, 4c. And the back terms for both of them, without the sign, is the same. They're technically a 1. Now, the only difference is that one of them is a positive, so 4c plus 1, and one of them is a minus, 4c minus 1. If you notice this setup where you have your first terms are identical, the second terms are identical, the only difference is that there's a change in the sign. We don't have to multiply these binomials the way that we've been doing. And remember, you always got to be fair. Can you do it that way? Sure. And we've done tons of videos on this channel showing it that way to you. So if you want to do it that way, you'll get the same exact answer. But the cool thing about this is that if you find that you have this type of situation, some of the terms will cancel out. And the only two things that you got to do are multiply the first two terms together. So we'll do red goes with red. So your 4c's times 4c's, and then your blues go together. And maybe what I'll do, let's just get rid of this. I'll put the number 2 up here. And then we multiply the blues. So the red goes together, the blues go together. And the other, playing it being fair, they will cancel out. So in this case, 4c times 4c. Work with your values. 4 times 4, right? Always do your numbers first, then do your variables. 4 times 4 is 16. And now, when you're multiplying variables, you got to collect them all. How many c's did we have here? Right? This one was c to the first. How many c's did we have here? Yeah, same thing, c to the first. So, if I have one c here and I'm grabbing another c, how many total c's do I have? Yeah, I got 2 of them now. So that would be representative as c squared. The first term is done. 4c times 4c is 16c squared. And now all we got to do is just multiply those blue terms, the past ones. And just keep in mind that take those signs into consideration. So we have a positive 1 being multiplied by a negative 1. This is going to be a negative value, and it's going to be a 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. And you're done. That's it. That's all she wrote for this one. How awesome was that? 16c squared minus 1, final answer. And you're good to go. And as always, if you want to, play fair, take your first term and multiply it by all of these terms. Take your second term and multiply it by all of them. You will come to the same exact answer. So try it out. Tell me. All right? Thank you so much for viewing the video. I hope you're doing well out there. Keep studying hard. My brother and I will always be here for you guys. We want you to do well and, be successful and pass those tests and quizzes and be what you want to be in life. So we're here for you guys. And I hope you're doing well out there. Take care, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.